When we are looking at the feature Any Car in Class, keep in mind it is very similar to what iRacing does for their official GT3 series. So you have a case where you can drive any one of the manufacturers in GT3 at that particular track for that week. The same applies in extreme scoring when you utilize the Any Car in Class. So let's go to the classes for this particular series as an example, and you'll see something unique here. They're running all the GT3 cars, but also running Radical SR8 and the Global Mazda. We'll get back to that in just a moment. But imagine, if you will, you were just a GT3 series and you wanted to mimic that iRacing approach where the drivers could choose any one of these on a given week. You'll simply go to the roster, you'll assign each of your drivers the Any Car in Class for their car type, and then under classes, they will be able to choose each week from any one of the GT3s. Now, this series is doing something even more unique, another type of championship, where for round one, they're running the Mazda. Round two, they're running the Radical. And then for rounds 3, 6, and 9, they're running GT3. Now, because we've set the roster for Any Car in Class, the drivers will then have the ability to choose for these particular events what GT3 car they would prefer to drive. Now, keep in mind, one of the drawbacks is that you cannot use the extreme scoring paints feature when you're doing Any Car in Class. You would have to resort to other means for the paints for those particular series. Otherwise, the Any Car in Class works really well.